Hi, my fantastic chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. Today I'm going to make a quick and easy but delicious side dish made with just a few simple ingredients that even my 6-year-old enjoys. Sautéed garlic butter mushrooms. What I used to prepare this dish was some baby Bella mushrooms, baby portobello, but white mushrooms would do perfectly too, plus some minced garlic, butter, olive oil, and good old salt and pepper. With that said, let's get cooking. Start off by cleaning the mushrooms. I don't like to wash them off because they're basically sponges and will soak in that water, so I try to brush them off with my hands or a brush. If they're really dirty, I'll put my fingers under cold water and use my fingers to lightly rub the water and rub off any of the dirt, because these grow in the ground. Cut the ends off the stem, or stipe, if you want to get technical. If it comes off completely, no big deal. We really want the cap, but the stems are perfectly fine to eat too. You can cook them up or not, it's up to you. Some people will only eat the caps. This is your meal. Make it however you feel, after all. Then cut the cap into quarters, or you could slice them, or you could just avoid cutting them entirely. It's up to you. You could make these whole, slice, dice, however you want. Again, cook it however you want. Chef's choice. Next, mince some garlic. I don't capture that on video, but I will post a link to another video at the end that shows how to mince garlic. If you're so inclined, mince some onion or shallots too. You could also chop some parsley or other herbs. I've tried other combinations, but the one I'm showing you here, it's my go-to, since it's only 3 ingredients that I almost always have on hand, and my son will eat it. Once you have all your ingredients prepared, heat a frying pan or skillet and add in olive oil, or the oil of your choice. Add the mushrooms and coat them with the oil. I let them cook a little and soften before adding the butter. I don't add the butter in earlier because I'm trying to avoid burning the butter, even though when you fortify butter with olive oil, it makes the temperature at which the butter burns go higher. I just didn't do it here. Give everything a good mix. Make sure that the mushrooms are thoroughly coated with the butter. Then season with the salt and pepper, pretty generously. Then add in the minced garlic. If you chose to mince an onion or shallots or anything, that could go in here at this point as well. Let it cook while stirring or flipping for a minute or two, and you're done. You can use white wine or red wine or some other liquid. If there's fond in your pan after cooking, I suggest deglazing it and making a sauce. I don't. It's good enough. The mushrooms are glossy from the butter. It's delicious. Once cooked to the tenderness of your liking, remove it all to a bowl. If you chopped some herbs such as parsley, now would be a good time to add that garnish. And enjoy. Please let me know what you think. If you made this, did you tweak it at all? Do you have any suggestions? How do you prepare mushrooms? I'd love to hear all your feedback. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I'm truly grateful for all the love and support. I hope you have a great day. Enjoy. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!